Cool. Hey everyone. And yeah, welcome back to I guess more Spark on Cube adventures. So we're gonna see how this goes. I am not like 100% sure. So where we left off yesterday was we got the Spark Pi with no resources and stateful set allocation to run and succeed. But after doing that, we noticed a few things while we were running in the integration environment. And the things that we noticed were namely that the stateful set wasn't getting cleaned up after our job was done. And so that's not great because that means that it just kept trying to create executors all the time. There's also like some other unrelated failures. I don't really care about them. That's fine. The main thing that we're gonna do is just try and yeah, get this working. So yeehaw. So what I'm gonna do, sort of start, is figure out what we can do to add owner references because that's generally the way how we handle this in Spark. And I don't know enough about Kubernetes owner resources, so that's something we're gonna look into. Or owner references. Sorry, yeah. Owner reference stateful set. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Kubernetes owner references. Let's take a look at how this works. That once had an owner, but no longer have an owner. So, okay, it looks like we can probably just do add an owner reference. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I think there's like also Kubernetes utils.scala. Yeah. Add owner reference. So this takes a pod and adds an owner reference to it. Okay, this takes a pod and a sequence of resources and needs to have the type has metadata, which I think is an interface. So if we go over here, nope, not what I want. Hmm. Okay. Let's just do a get diff to master because I don't remember what I'm doing. That's pretty normal. Basic. It's not inside of executor feature step. It's not inside of abstract pods allocator. It's inside of executor pods allocator, I think. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, I guess what we're going to do here is instead of request new executors, okay, let's go find Statefulset. Stateful. Oop. Oh wait, no. Okay, stateful set pod allocator. Okay, stateful set pods allocator. Yeehaw, reread from disk. Yeah. So then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add an owner reference to it, I think. So add owner reference Driver pod. I think, okay, Statefulset pod allocator. Okay, driver pod. Driver pod. Sequence type Statefulset. It's not gonna work. Okay. Fabricate Statefulset. Does this implement has metadata? It does. Okay, cool, solid. The other thing that I want to do is I want to make sure any of the pods that we create also automatically get cleaned up. So I think what we're going to want to do here is, because deleting the Statefulset doesn't necessarily delete pod template spec. Okay, so pod template spec. Hey, does this has metadata? That is an interesting question. It does not, but it does have it does actually have a metadata. So I guess I can do it on the pod. Does the pod would have it. Okay. This is my theory, is that if we do this, it should automatically get cleaned up. Okay. Statefulset deletes don't automatically delete the pods. Let's double check. Statefulset delete pod. Delete a Statefulset. Okay. Yeah. Oh, actually, I don't. Oh, maybe we don't have to. Maybe that's replica set. Okay, when deleting a Statefulset, well, okay. Okay, so Statefulset deleted by owner reference scale to 0. Does that happen? Here we go. PDC created by Statefulset will not be auto-removed. Huh. Okay. Uh, so let's see here. Yes. Okay, where is this going to? Okay, here we go. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. No, no, no. How do you practice Spark? Like, how do you select a topic for a pet project and evaluate whether to take it on or not, and how do I plan it? And no, no worries. Um, it's it's hard. I often do things just based on what I'm excited in, right? Like, so for example, the most recent sort of side pet project that I had was integrating Polynote with Jupyter Launcher. And I think it's kind of cool, but I'm not like 100% sure. Um, like, so I just kind of let my EDD guide me, I suppose I would say. Um, okay. Statefulset pod deletion. Okay. Statefulset remove on pod deletion. Um, hmm. Okay, that looks like it's not. Okay, let's take a look at what got. Did this get. I don't think this got merged. Okay. This got merged over. Continued over here. Oh, a KEP for auto deletion of stateful sets. Yeah. Um. Cool. Um. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at what they actually changed. Okay. So, okay. Persistent volume claim deletion policy. Um, so okay, I guess, is there a KEP number associated with this? Okay. See, let's go ahead. I guess actually we don't have to add the owner references where like that. It looks like we're okay. Although, okay. Yeah, I guess we don't actually have to do that. That's fine. Note, user is responsible for cleaning up PVCs or enabling KEP 1847. I guess. I don't know. User is responsible for cleaning up PVCs. Future work. integrate KEP 1847 when stabilized. There we go. That sounds semi-reasonable. Okay, so how are we going to assert that? Basic test suite? Okay. So then the other one that we want to do here is, I guess, stateful. Okay. Verify there is no stateful set. Yeah. Kubernetes client. Val. There is no dangling stateful set. That sounds reasonable. Okay, Kubernetes client. Fabric 8. Yeah. Oh, no, I don't want to see examples. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Does this seem right? What's the type of the Kubernetes client? There we go. This is one that I want. Okay. And so then we go to apps. Okay. Apps API group DSL. Stateful sets. Yeah. Okay. Then list, I think. And then from this, items. Okay. Oh yeah. Do I have my matchers in here? No. do Kubernetes suite should be 0. Okay, and then we need to import the should matchers and the Java converters. Okay. Cool. Let's see here. Don't think I have to. I'm hoping I don't have to do a clean build. We'll find out. Okay, this is going to take a while. And so while that's going, there's a PR that I want to follow up on. Let's make sure. Okay, these two. These are the two PRs I want to follow up on. Okay, yeah. So, I'm not super sure what we get by enabling an external shuffle service in this configuration. It would let us scale up and down executor pods, but not the shuffle files, not the shuffle services, and we probably end up doing a lot of remote fetches. Can you give me some more context around your plans here? Have you looked at the current work on introducing the okay, let me rephrase this one. Okay, so yeah, I like the simplicity of this approach, but I think there are some pretty serious limitations. We should is the goal just to support dynamic scaling? So have you tried enabling migrations? Cool. Hmm. 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 Can I edit this PR without checking out the code really quickly? Because I want to try. Yeah. It looks like I can. Yay. Okay. Um, what's the other thing we're gonna do here? Um, hmm. Yeah. Um, uh, these timeouts, um, are running in CI. Cool. So we will see if that does the trick. And I did this so that I don't have to like change my branch of the thing that I've got checked out right now. Yeah. Let's hope that works. Um, hmm. 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 Let's see here. Okay. Well, okay. Um, this is gonna take a hot minute to compile. We updated that PR. And so now it's gonna run in CI. I guess what's the I think that's reasonable. Let's double check and make sure. Okay, cool. I mentioned 3 hours ago. Uh, yeah. Mm, um, mm, okay. 11 hours ago, 16 hours ago. Embedded notebook images do not work. Okay. I think that's solid. Okay. This one will wait for CI to trigger. Oh, weird. What's please rerun all jobs. That's weird. Okay, cool. So that's good. The new PR this week, so we can circle back to that. Okay, yeah. This is use caffeine instead of guava. Yeah. Okay. What's the build failure? See test results. Be nice to see the failure. Okay, which two tests failed? Worker decommission extended suite. Ah, fuck. That is probably my fault. Okay. Um, hmm. Okay. That looks like that's maybe a thing that I should look into. Let's file a JIRA for that. Worker decommission extended suite is flaky. So flakes and GHA. Flakes with GHA. Tests. Core. Okay, cool. So that being said, build failure. Okay, add owner reference not found. Cool. Statefulset pod allocator. Start work to validate, to clean up and validate removal of Statefulset on driver exit. The other thing that we're going to do here is git checkout master, git checkout -b. So then we're going to do worker decommission extended suite. Yeah. GHA probably doesn't have the same resources as Jenkins. So go down from 5 to 3. Execs and give a bit more time to come up. Cool. Other thing that we can do. 512 is probably. And so what we'll do is we'll raise this as a work in progress PR. There we go. Whip, spark, yeah. GHA, worker decommission, extended, flake. Here. Timing out in GHA. No. Whip. Right to GHA. Okay, cool. Core test. Cool. Yeah. So that's just like a relatively quick change. I just want to like make sure that whichever issue that is fixed. Okay, check out data. Okay, and now. Okay, cool. 10:45. Let's see. Let's put on some music. Nothing says solid day quite like some tunes. Alexa, turn on speaker. Yeah. Oh, I guess another thing that I'm gonna do really quickly is hey grounds, I got a basic with security integration of Polynote with 0 to Jupyter Hub in place. Hey, Spark notebook friends. Hey, up in whip. Anyone else wants to play with it and give feedback? Love that. And so github.com/ GitHub Polyno. Hey Apache Spark and Scala. Do things I can do. Multitasking. Okay, I hope this compiles soon. Namely, I've got a meeting at 11, and I really want to at least see this get started. Like running, like I want to see the tests get compiled. Because yeah, I don't super know for sure if my syntax is right even. But let's hope. Mm-hmm. How far along are we? Okay, we're down to Spark SQL. That's a good sign. I think we might actually be able to get this like at least running in CI before I have to run in my next meeting. Which would be all kinds of good. Alexa snooze. Yeah. Okay. The build coming along. Okay. Oh, cool. And it looks like a friend of mine is doing an open source contribution schema workshop. Yeah. I would totally be down to chat with them about that. So let's do that. Um, uh, mm, mm, recognition. Recommended to me by someone I trust. Submit. Cool. Yeehaw. Okay, so still compiling. I am optimistic that this will compile. I don't know. I don't think this is going to compile in time, though. Realistically, but we'll give it another like 2-3 minutes. Because I would. How far along are we? SQL Hive. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. I think actually, you know what? This is pretty solid. All things considered. I'm gonna circle back to this after my 11 o'clock meeting. So I'll come join y'all after lunch. Alexa, stop. Yeah. And so 5 minutes to like get some water and oh, okay, cool. Let's fix this compile error first. Statefulset pod allocator line 155. I think Scala option. Let's double check that. Scala option. Yeah, it's just get. Yeah, I'm gonna double check. Scala. Yep, sounds good. That's what we want. Throw an exception if it's not present. Okay, cool. Yeehaw. Fix add. Okay, cool. So, yeah. That's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna go get ready for my meeting, which is now in 3 minutes. Thanks everyone for joining me. I'll see you, well, some of you maybe this afternoon. hopefully this works. And then this afternoon, what I can do is the next thing, which is I want to make sure that the way that we're translating persistent volumes makes sense. And then, assuming that's the case, maybe add a replica set allocator as well, and then clean up the code and raise the PR upstream. But honestly, I might be being overly optimistic with how much I can get done today. But I'm hoping that maybe we can get to the point that I can raise a work in progress PR upstream. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all around. Bye.